Do your knees feel stiff when you wake up, or ache more with every step you take? You're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. In fact, what you eat every day might be quietly making that pain worse. Not because you're eating too much, but because hidden in your kitchen are certain processed foods that silently fuel inflammation and slowly erode your healthy joints from the inside out. And if your knees are already sore or swollen, these ingredients act like gasoline on a fire, breaking down cartilage, trapping fluid, and turning minor discomfort into daily pain. But here's the good news. You don't have to live with it. You can take control, one small change at a time. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 of the worst processed foods for knee pain. And, more importantly, show you exactly what to eat instead to soothe inflammation, restore mobility, and rebuild healthy joints that move with confidence again. And stick around until the end, because I'll reveal one simple food swap that could make a real difference in how your knees feel, as soon as tomorrow morning. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with one of the most common, and most damaging, foods hiding in plain sight. They're quick, tasty, and often feel like the easy protein solution when you're in a rush. But if your knees feel sore, stiff, or inflamed, processed meats might be doing more harm than you realize. We're talking about sausages, deli ham, bacon, hot dogs, pepperoni, all packed with nitrates, sodium, and chemical preservatives that quietly fuel inflammation from the inside out. Multiple studies, including one published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have linked high consumption of processed meats to elevated C-reactive protein (CRP) levels, a key marker of chronic inflammation associated with osteoarthritis flare-ups. And here's the kicker. Even small daily portions of these meats can create a low-grade inflammatory response in your joints. That means if your knees already hurt, these foods aren't just slowing healing. They're actively making things worse with every bite. Don't worry, you're not giving up flavor or satisfaction. Smart swaps that actually help your knees feel better. Instead of reaching for a quick slice of processed ham, try grilled or baked chicken thighs, high in protein, naturally lower in sodium, and rich in anti-inflammatory B vitamins. Lentils or chickpeas, plant-based protein sources packed with magnesium and fiber, which support joint function and fight inflammation. Homemade turkey or chicken patties, seasoned with turmeric, garlic, or rosemary, all anti-inflammatory herbs, give you full control over what goes into your food. Boiled eggs or tofu, quick, clean, and gentle on your joints. No preservatives, no sodium overload. Pair your protein with leafy greens or a squeeze of lemon. The vitamin C helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently and supports healthy joints at a cellular level. Let's talk about those crunchy, salty cravings, the ones that sneak in between meals and feel harmless at first, but could be quietly stiffening your knees with every bite. We're talking potato chips, butter crackers, pretzels, cheese puffs, all the processed snacks lining the shelves of every supermarket. Here's the problem. These snacks are made with refined white flour, processed vegetable oils, and artificial additives. This combo spikes blood sugar fast and triggers a chain reaction of inflammation, especially in weight-bearing joints like your knees. And it doesn't stop there. Studies show that high glycemic processed carbs, when combined with oxidized oils, can break down cartilage over time and accelerate joint aging. Visualize this. Every time you grab a handful of chips or crackers, it's like pouring sticky syrup and sand into your knee joints, gumming up the system and increasing pressure where you already feel pain. Crave the crunch? Try these joint-friendly swaps. You don't have to give up satisfying snacks, just upgrade them to support your healthy joints. Air-popped popcorn. It's whole grain, low in inflammation-triggering fats, and still gives you that crunchy bite you love. Roasted chickpeas, crispy, high in protein and fiber, and packed with natural magnesium, a nutrient that eases joint stiffness and supports cartilage integrity. Seaweed crisps, a salty, mineral-rich snack with almost no sugar, low in calories, and supportive of joint hydration thanks to its iodine and antioxidant content. Almonds or walnuts. A handful provides healthy fats and vitamin E, which studies show can help reduce joint swelling. You might think you're starting your day right, but if your morning begins with a bowl of boxed cereal, your knees may be paying the price. Many cereals, even the ones with words like whole grain, heart smart, or fit on the label, are secretly packed with added sugars, corn syrup, and ultra-refined grains. Here's why that matters. Those hidden sugars raise your C-reactive protein, CRP, levels, a well-known marker of inflammation linked to joint pain, stiffness, and cartilage degradation. And for weight-bearing joints like your knees, that inflammation hits even harder. Think of it this way. Sugar doesn't just sweeten your breakfast. It quietly erodes the collagen that cushions your knees. A smarter swap that heals while you eat. Instead of cereals that spike your blood sugar and silently inflame your joints, try this easy, satisfying alternative. Overnight oats with berries and flax seeds. Here's why this combo works wonders. Oats contain beta-glucans, natural compounds that calm inflammation and support joint health. Berries are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect cartilage from oxidative stress. Flax seeds provide omega-3s and fiber, which help lower CRP and lubricate stiff joints naturally. Bonus tip: add a dash of cinnamon. Not only does it stabilize blood sugar, it adds warmth and flavor that supports circulation and healing. Instant noodles and cup soups. They're quick. They're cheap. A warm bowl of instant noodles or a cup of pre-packaged soup. They're fast. But here's the hidden truth. They're also one of the sneakiest triggers of knee pain and inflammation. Why it's so harmful for your joints. Instant noodles and cup soups might feel harmless, but they're often loaded with ultra-processed ingredients that work against your knees. MSG and flavor enhancers overstimulate nerve responses, contributing to pain sensitivity. Artificial additives confuse your immune system and can heighten inflammation. A growing body of research links high-sodium diets to worsened symptoms in arthritis patients. One study published in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology found that sodium overload doesn't just worsen inflammation, it accelerates cartilage degeneration, especially in weight-bearing joints like your knees. A better swap: homemade miso soup with seaweed and tofu. Instead of settling for pain in a packet, choose something just as warm and satisfying, but designed to heal, not harm. Why this alternative works. Miso is rich in fermented probiotics that support gut health, and your gut is directly tied to your body's inflammatory response. A calm gut means calmer knees. Seaweed delivers iodine, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory minerals that support collagen repair and fluid balance in joints. Tofu adds a clean, plant-based protein that's easy to digest and won't trigger the inflammatory spikes often caused by processed meats or additives. Add a few drops of sesame oil and some chopped scallions, and you've got yourself a cozy, healing bowl of joint-friendly comfort food. The takeaway? This isn't about giving up warmth or convenience, it's about upgrading it, because your knees deserve comfort and support. And with the right ingredients in your bowl, you can nourish your joints with every spoonful, not silently sabotage them. Every bite you take sends a message to your body. And when it comes to knee pain, the wrong foods whisper inflammation, while the right ones speak relief and renewal. Cut the foods that quietly wear down your joints. Replace them with nutrients that rebuild cartilage, soothe inflammation, and support healthy joints from the inside out. Because here's the truth. Relief doesn't always come in a pill bottle or a physical therapy appointment. Sometimes it starts with what's in your fridge and what's on your fork. And the best part? These small changes add up. One better choice, one better meal at a time. And we're just getting started. In the next section, I'll show you the #1 everyday spice that acts like nature's own joint protector, backed by research to ease pain and support healthy joints for the long haul. So don't go anywhere. Your knees and your future mobility are worth the next 60 seconds.